Hello everyone, Progress FS on this one. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. Alright guys, just a quick recap on gold market last week. Just like I said, you could see gold stayed bullish all through last week. So look at where the market stopped the last 2 weeks, and I said in the last weekly gold analysis that gold is going to retrace down to this other block area, which, as you can see, it attempted and finally got here. This was the signal I gave. We successfully traded DIX and DIX over 800 pips, and this was one of the failed trade. And of course, when the trade failed, I know the reason, and I have seen the reason, and it will never happen again. That's one thing with my own type of trading. If my trade fails, I find out the reason and never repeat it. Alright guys, let's go straight to this week analysis. Alright guys, welcome to 1 week chart. I said last week that because this is not an engulfing candlestick and did not have the capacity to boost the market immediately, that I expect the price to get to this, because this is the candlestick of interest. Remember, what I do in this weekly analysis is clear interpretation of the characteristics of candlestick to find out exactly what to expect in the market, because this is not coming to tell you the higher high, lower low. At the end of the day, you will not find exactly what you want. The candlestick character is actually the intent in the market. That's why you have to do exactly what the market is doing, not what you expect or the already structural plan they have in the market. You see, I told you that yes, because of the attitude of this candlestick, the last 2 weeks candlestick, that the price of gold is going to stay up throughout last week. And of course, as you can see, it did. The reason here is this is one of the most interesting candlestick, as you can see. Interesting candlestick, as you can see in this place. This is going to create a demand for what I believe is going to be the last spike. Yeah, the reason is in the monetary time frame, gold is already strongly overbought, and that is why you see this price range. As you can see, I use this trend line to show you. That is why you are seeing the sideways. The price of gold has been going sideways, ranging strongly because of the overbought. And I strongly believe that the price of gold is not going to just go high or create the new higher high so easily from tomorrow, 21st, which is Monday. This candlestick, as you can see, this very one, already have given the buyers the boost, the strong interest in the market, because I expect that this week a bullish candlestick is going to engulf it to give the buyers the momentum to go all high. Reason is, these 2 candlesticks could not engulf DIX to give the boost, the strength in the market, because it didn't. This very one has already created the opportunity, and should the price engulf the body, expect a very strong bullish trend coming this week between 21st till Friday. Remember, like I said, I don't expect the price of gold to first of all go above here, because this is the candlestick of interest. I expect similar spike to happen should the price first of all touch this place. Then we'll be expecting the price to come back again, because as you can see, the price of gold is still going sideways inside here. So it's going to come back again and probably do this before coming all down or all up. So let's go down to smaller time frame to find our entries. All right, guys, this is 4 hours time frame. Alternatively, from what we saw in the 1 week chart, you will see that in this 4 hours time frame, gold has a character of doing one thing. Since this sideways started, every week it will create a sideways movement or a kind of small or big trend. You can see for the last week, and if you go back to the chart, you'll observe the same thing. So here, last week, there is what it did. Due to that strong sideways trend line we applied, as you can see here and this place, you will understand that there is a trend line here track last week, but instead of creating the same higher high on the H4, the price went sideways. The implication is two things are involved. Remember, whenever gold is going sideways, there are two options: either the price breaks up or down. So in this case, I expect the price of gold to look out for this resistance level. So alternatively, on H4, I expect the price of gold to continue to look out for this fair value gap that resulted to this retracement the last week, and the price finding its way back to retest this resistance level, which came all the way from back, or the price coming all through down to this other block before going up to look for here. All right, guys, this is 1 hour time frame. As you can see, gold trended down, and looking at this place, which, like I told you in the H4, there is a fair value gap here and this place, and that is the reason why, as you can see, when the price retraced 50% of the bearish trend for the last week, it started looking for them. All right, guys, I usually look out for what gold is going to do on Mondays and Tuesdays, and as you can see, there's a fair value gap here and this place. Alternatively, I expect the gold market between Monday and Tuesday. Remember, we usually look out for Mondays and Tuesdays first before other days, which means the price is either coming down to retest this which means the price is coming to loot for the fair value gap here, and if it breaks below this area we made the last entry for the last week, know that it's coming all through to look out for the other block here, and of course go back to retest this resistance point, probably do this before heading to the point of interest as shown to you on the weekly time frame. And when it does that, know that our next target is going to be around $3,403. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is the first shape, the up order block area, And the second shape, as you can see here, is the point of interest area. Let us take our long signal here. So guys, this is what to expect. This is our long signal position. The stop loss we expect to be here. One moment. Then the point of entry, where I expect the price to come, is here, right? Remember, this is 30 minutes time frame. I have to come down to this place to expect then the price is expected to go all high to take out this area first before we start looking for the next move in the gold market. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Follow me on Facebook, Progress FS, Twitter, which is currently X, Progress FS. Join my Telegram group. I do daily updates and signal stay. Very important. All links are in the description below this video. Bye for now.